Hello, you dirty bastards! Have you cleaned your pillows lately? So, pillows can get nasty, super nasty, and there is a way to clean them. Make sure, first of all, that you check the tag that they can be cleaned, because some can be cleaned like this one, and this one's pretty dirty, but it can be cleaned, and we'll show you how to do that. If it's a memory foam pillow, like this one, you can take the outside off. The memory foam, take it out of the outside of the take it from the inside of the pillow, put it out in the sun. You know, the sun will kill a lot of things for you, and that sort of thing. But then you can clean the outside of it. And sometimes you find one in storage for a video just for you guys that's just damn nasty, and you just got to throw it away. So some things can't be cleaned. Anyway, so let's show you how to clean your pillows. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pre-treat your pillows with hydrogen peroxide. Okay, then you're going to put it in your washing machine. And 3 pillows is ideal because it won't make it be off kilter or off tilt. And so put 3 pillows in there, put your laundry detergent in just like before, and then if your washing machine has a bulk setting, put it on bulk. Then you just have to wash as normal. Then when they're done in the washing machine, take them out, fluff them a little bit with your hands if you can, and then you're gonna put them in the dryer with 3 tennis balls, or if you're fancy and you have laundry balls, put them in with 3 laundry balls. Okay, so when the dryer is done and the pillows are completely dry, take them out. Okay, pro tip. If you have an extra spin cycle on your washing machine, you're going to want to do that. Get as much water out of these you can before you throw them in the dryer. Okay, so you should do this every couple months to keep it nice and clean. You know, your head gets dirty, things like that, and you sweat on them, all that kind of stuff. So you want to do it every couple months. So that's it. Super thanks as always, appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Thanks.